Man, f this damn car. Yo. What are you doing? We just got a call from the glass guy, man. The windshield and the quarter glass on the Lambo broke, the Diablo. So we gotta call Mickey and let him know. So we gotta order glass for this car. And I know it's gonna be expensive.
Yep. Hello.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Hey, what's happening, brother?
Nothing much. Just got off the phone with the glass guy for Lambo.
Yeah.
And the windshield broke and quarter glass broke. He haven't touched the second glass, but I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna break too.
Okay. So I look broke for you.
Do you know how much the motherfuckers are, right?
How much?
10K each glass.
Go ahead and order it.
Alright.
Go ahead and order it. It is what it is. Nothing money can fix. I'm gonna go continue swimming in my pool, brother.
Alright, brother. I'll holler at you later. Yo. What are you doing? Stop! 3 wipers on 1 arm. Lamborghini, this was some tacky. That's crazy. So right now we about to do some disassembling. Take some of this stuff off. Sorry about the little episode of the windshield, y'all. We had that was just all for show, you know, just for clickbait. So yeah, the windshield was already broke when I hit it. If you look at the video, I guess the quarter glass is coming with the trim because the guy said the trim doesn't come painted. It's been on here. It's probably been on there since 1991. This is all they just did to make it work. Look, they got little raggedy ass rivets in there. We gonna get all this out, so we gotta make it right. Look, they just seem sealed over dirt. It just irritates my soul. But we gonna get this right, man. This Lamborghini Diablo, and whoever redid it, they kind of disrespected it. This Lamborghini job was supposed to just be kind of like a scuff and shoot kind of deal too. We just had to paint everything, do the bodywork, paint it. But come to find out, a lot of stuff is siliconed on and seam sealed on, because you know, whoever redid it. And as you've seen in that video that we posted before, the paint was just flying off the side skirts, and I'm pretty sure they didn't know what was best for this Lamborghini. So we're gonna make that right. Using a screwdriver to take all these out on purpose, because you know, with the rust, I didn't want the torque from a power tool. I have to make all this stuff right. Like look, they just zip tied the line up. Clip that loose. And we can remove this. Already loose. So we gotta change the broken glass out. But in order to do that, we have to remove the fenders. And what they did was seam sealed the damn fenders all the way in there. So it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get them out, but we're gonna get them out. Alright, so we had to remove the headlights out of the Diablo to do those right. As you can see, this is overspray. Like I guess when they painted it before, they just left the headlights in there, tucked down in there when they did it, because it's dry as heck right here, dry right here. The lens got a little overspray on there, and then these are just like little decals that they put up, you know, I guess they did to fill in the outline around the headlight. But we're gonna take all that out, clean it up, repaint all this stuff, and we got our work cut out for us on this damn Diablo. It ain't nothing like that Ferrari. The Ferrari's pretty easy. Why would they do that? Like, they literally glued the damn fender on there, bro. Like, why? But see, the main thing about all this stuff, we gotta clean all this up, man. We can't, like, why would you glue it on? I don't get it. But it was glued on top of this, and you see this got to come out in order for the windshield to come out nice and clean. So we had to remove it. We didn't have a choice. So one fender off, man. Me and the crew been here all night. Thank y'all for watching. Lambo build is coming along pretty smooth. Just got little minor hiccups with like stuff being glued in, but no big deal. It's aluminum fender. It might have stretched a little bit pulling the glue, but we're gonna get it back into shape and get it fitted right and make sure it doesn't get glued back in, because they could have put bolts and been fine. So I don't know why they glued it, but anyway. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, y'all. Peace.